Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a sit down video for a while, so today I decided to show you what I bought recently. I have something new from Fendi that I want to show you. I also have some new favorite clothing items and beauty products, so if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so I guess I will start with what I'm wearing because that's easy. So one of my favorite items, new items that I bought this month is this Tommy Hilfiger bralette. I've been wearing it a lot over the weekends when I'm more casual with denim jackets and showing only one shoulder like this. This bralette comes in, I think, 3 different colors. I picked the red one. I love the red for a pop of color, but I also really love the navy blue, which I'll be buying as well. It is so comfortable. I got mine in a medium. It does have a bit of a padding, so you can wear it without a bra if you want. I would say it's a medium support, so if you have bigger boobies, you might want to wear a tighter bra underneath. I wear it without a bra underneath, but if you want to wear it with a bra, definitely go a size up. I would say it's quite true to size and I love it. I think it's very cool. You can also wear it to the gym if you want. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Alright, my next favorite is this little item inside this Fendi bag. I bought this, I think, a week ago, and I've already worn it so much. It is a pair of sunglasses, as you can tell, and I absolutely love them. I've been wanting these. Look at the packaging. I've been wanting these for a while, and these go so nicely with my Louis Vuitton bag. So these are the Fendi runway sunglasses. That's the name of them. They're round. I've been wanting round sunglasses, but they don't really suit my face shape. I have a wider face, so if I want to wear round sunglasses, they have to be massive. I think that I suit oversized sunglasses. I don't suit small sunglasses, so I'll try them on for you so you can see how they look. But I absolutely love them. What do you guys think? I think you can still see my eyes, but in the sun, when it's really like bright and sunny outside, they're so reflective that you can't really see my eyes. But I love them. I absolutely love the FF logo on them. I think they're very cool. The color is amazing. These also come in different colors: red, blue, black, with like silver FF. They might come in more colors, I'm not sure. I'll try to link them down below. I picked these ones because they'll match most of my handbags, my shoes. They're perfect for summer. I love the gold FF on them. They're like brownish lens with like a lighter brown golden FF on them. You might know that I have a big sunglasses collection, and these are probably the most comfortable pair that I own. These are currently my favorite sunglasses, not only because they're new, but also because they're so comfortable and the quality of the lenses is amazing. I can see so clear when I wear them. They're not too dark because I don't like sunglasses that are too dark. Okay, so my next favorite are the eyelashes that I'm currently wearing, so I wanted to mention them before I forget. I get so many compliments every time I wear them. They're very natural. People constantly ask me, do you have eyelash extensions? They're very like feathery. I love that the lash band is very thin. They're very easy to apply. You need a little bit of glue and they stick on your eyelids perfectly. They're not hard to apply because the lash band is quite like flexible and very thin, so you can apply them more close to the lash line, so they look very natural. I also applied a little bit of mascara on them and they blend it so nicely with my natural eyelashes. My next favorite, if you haven't watched my Paris unboxing video, I bought the Petite Malle, and this has been my favorite bag this month. Guys, I can't stop wearing it. It is so versatile, it is so comfortable, it goes with everything in my wardrobe. This baby I've been loving so much. It's been getting so much use and wear. It goes with everything. It goes even with this outfit that I'm wearing now. Casual, evening, you can wear it with everything. It is so versatile. Next I'll continue with clothing, and I want to show you this beautiful shirt from Andara Stories. You have to see it on, you won't be able to see it like this on the hanger, but I'll definitely try it on so you can see the beautiful detail on the sleeves. It is gorgeous. I wore it a few times already. I wore it during the day, and I also wore it in the evening in Paris with my Petite Malle and my Valentino rock studs. It is very, very beautiful, very feminine. I love the little bow on the neck, and as I mentioned, the sleeve on the detail. The sleeve on the detail. The detail on the sleeves. Oh my god. It has like frilly detail here on the sleeves as well. I got mine in a size 38. Next I want to show you another shirt that I've been loving and wearing a lot lately. It is this gorgeous shirt from H&M. They also have a kimono with the exact same print, which is gorgeous. I definitely have to order it. I love this print. I get so many compliments when I wear this shirt. Again, the sleeves are a bit roughly at the end. The shirt is absolutely stunning. This is the back. I'll try it on so you can see. It is very light and flowy and perfect for this weather now in England, because it's not too hot, so it's perfect for light shirts, and that's why I've been buying a lot of shirts lately. So yeah. Next I have, guess what? Another shirt. This one is from Topshop. I absolutely love this color. It looks quite bright on camera. It's not that bright. Again, it has some frills here on the shoulders with like little beads, and also here it has this beautiful button. I'm not sure if it's showing, but it's like a beautiful crystal button up there on the neckline. Alright, next, can you guys guess what is next? It is not another shirt, well, kinda. It is a dress, a long dress. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. But it's another very beautiful piece from Andara Stories. It looks like a shirt, doesn't it? But it's actually a very, very long dress, which I showed you on my Instagram, and so many people clicked, because I linked it on my Instagram stories, and so many people clicked on that link. Hopefully it's not sold out. But if you're not following me on my Instagram, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, because I share my newest things on my Instagram and I also show you my outfits. So yeah, you can come follow me there. I have been wearing this dress so much. It is so comfortable. It feels like you're not wearing anything. I hate it when I buy a silky dress and it is completely transparent and you can see my underwear. When I saw this dress, I was like, oh, here it is, another beautiful dress that I won't be able to wear because you'd be able to see my underwear. But when you actually put it on, it's not transparent. It has two layers which are quite transparent, but maybe because it's like so roughly and big at the bottom, you can't really see the underwear that you're wearing. It's not transparent, so don't worry about it. I got mine in size 36. And it has also a little belt on the waist, so you can cinch in your waist. Alright, so next I have a favorite from Zara. Did you guys think I didn't buy anything from Zara this month? Of course I bought stuff from Zara. I actually bought a lot more. I will definitely film a Zara haul video because I have so many new items. I just placed another order and I will definitely be filming a Zara haul. You guys seem to love my Zara hauls, and I promise there will be a Zara haul video very soon. But a current favorite, okay, these are a bit dirty, I have to clean them, but I've been wearing these every single day, guys. These are so comfortable. Every time I buy new shoes, I have to braid them in, and these, the first 2 times I wore them in Paris, were extremely painful. I knew they had the potential to be extremely comfortable. I bought these silicone things. I'm not going to show you up close because the shoe is actually quite dirty. I bought these silicone things and I put them here because this is where I got blisters. They were rubbing my foot at the back. So after I bought the silicone things, these became so comfortable. But this always happens when I buy new shoes. So it might not be the same with you. When you buy them, they might be comfortable straight away. You might not get blisters, but now they are so comfortable. They go well with everything. They've been a favorite pair of shoes for this month, and I actually ordered another pair, the exact same pair from Zara. I got mine in size 38. They're very true to size. My next favorite is this Origins primer. It reduces my pores. My foundation glides really nicely onto my skin. My skin doesn't look dry. It is a very interesting formula. So first you shake it really well and then you squirt it on your hand and it comes out in like a moussey, like foamy, like a foamy texture. It is such a different product. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. This beautiful baby pink packaging. This doesn't stay in the freezer. It stays in my room on my dressing table in a room temperature. It gets really hot in my bedroom where my vanity is, and I don't know how, but when you apply it on your face, it is like, it has this like cooling, like almost like freezing sensation. Like it's so nice, especially when you feel really hot. My next favorite is a hair product. So I wanted to mention this in my monthly favorites. It is by DHG. I know their products are a bit more expensive. Their curling thongs are quite expensive. I can't believe how much this was. It was more than £100, and I don't want to spend that much for a curling thong. Guys, definitely invest in one of these babies. This is so good. It is so easy to use. It heats up extremely fast, and it curls your hair very fast as well, because you don't have to hold your hair very long. You literally hold your hair for 5 to 8 seconds, and it gives you this beautiful curls, very natural, that last for days. Like literally my curls last for 2 to 3 days, like 3 days. With my previous curling thong, I had to curl my hair every single day because the curls didn't last. I have a very straight hair, which is very hard to curl. It doesn't hold any curl. Now I want to buy the same curling thong but with the bigger barrel. This one is the, I forgot the name, I think it had a name, the classic curl thong, and they have another one with a larger barrel for longer hair, so I definitely will pick that one up. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know what's your favorite product this month. Also, don't forget to check the description box because everything that I've mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. You can come follow me on my other social media platforms, which you can see here on the screen, and you can see my Instagram feed. I upload out of the day pictures there, so you can come follow me there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!